The materials arriving at Boeing Ridley Park today have been arriving at this facility in one form or another since 1956.
Every sheet of aluminum alloy entering Boeing Ridley Park carries a certified material traceability record from the mill. The composite prepreg stored at sub-zero temperatures here will become the rotor blades that lift the Chinook and everything it carries.
Titanium forms the structural backbone of the Chinook's most demanding components: the rotor heads, the drive system frames, and the aft pylon. Aerospace aluminum alloy sheet for the Chinook fuselage is rolled to a thickness measured in thousandths of an inch.
The material certification review at Ridley Park connects every pound of material in the Chinook to its origin.
Every material pallet moving through the Ridley Park warehouse is tracked from receiving to production floor. The
Boeing Ridley Park warehouse holds the materials that will become the CH-47F Chinook, a helicopter so capable and so proven.
When the Ridley Park shift ends, the Chinook materials sit ready in a Pennsylvania warehouse. Tomorrow,
the titanium rotor head components forged here carry the full lift load of the Chinook at maximum gross weight, transferred from the rotor blades through the pitch horns. At Ridley Park. The cutting machines at Ridley Park follow programs generated CH-47F digital design model.
The Chinook's rectangular cabin cross-section, the feature that gives it the largest cargo cabin of any helicopter in the American inventory.
The mold tools that define the CH-47F composite rotor blade airfoil geometry are precision machined to the exact toward, twist.
The thaw clock starts the moment prepreg leaves cold storage for CH-47F rotor blade layup.
The Chinook transmission cases cast here house the most complex helicopter drive system in American production.
Every aluminum fuselage panel is ultrasonically inspected for internal laminations and forming defects before it enters the Chinook.
Precipitation hardening heat treatment of the Chinook aluminum structural components increases their yield strength from the as-formed condition to the aerospace specification required for flight loads.
The CH-47F aft pylon carries the aft rotor system, the aft transmission, and the structural
Cut, formed, forged, and inspected.
The aluminum and titanium components staged here in Pennsylvania will become the CH-47F Chinook. The Boeing Ridley Park CNC floor machines components for the most capable heavy lift helicopter in the Western Military Alliance. The tolerances held here.
The CH-47F blade grip, machined here, connects the composite rotor blade to the rotor head through a pitch bearing that allows. The transmission bearing bores machined here must be concentric to classified tolerances, because bearing misalignment in a helix. The Chinook rotor mast transmits the full power output of the transmission to the rotor head. At full power, over 4,000.
The CMM inspection of every CH-47F blade grip verifies that the blade retention geometry and pitch bearing bore are. The machining program on this screen was generated from the CH-47F engineering digital model and validated through first article inspection before production began.
The CH-47F interconnecting drive system carries power between the forward and aft transmissions through a series of drive shafts.
The Chinook triple cargo hook system is rated for 50,000 pounds of external load distributed across 3 hooks. From rough titanium forging to precision rotor component. This blade grip will connect a composite rotor blade to the Chinook rotor head.
The CH-47F Chinook fuselage is assembled from aluminum structural frames, longerons, and skin panels into the large rectangular cabin.
Aluminum TIG welding requires complete mastery of arc control and filler material feed. Aluminum dissipates heat rapidly.
The weld bead deposited here will carry structural loads measured in thousands of pounds every time the Chinook lifts a sling load.
The pylon attachment fittings installed here are the structural interface between the rotor system and the fuselage.
The Chinook's aluminum skin panels are riveted to the structural framework in a precise sequence that controls the aerodynamic surface shape.
The CH-47F cargo ramp is what makes the Chinook the most flexible cargo helicopter in Army aviation. Vehicles drive in under their own power.
The titanium aft pylon weld joints carry the full load of the aft rotor system, thousands of horsepower transmitted through the pylon structure to the rotor head above.
Every structural weld on the Chinook fuselage is inspected for surface defects using fluorescent penetrant inspection.
The CH-47F AL3 composite rotor blade is built one ply at a time by hand on the precision mold tool.
The CH-47F airframe is structurally complete. The aluminum and titanium structure that will carry Army crews. The forward T55 is installed in the right forward engine nacelle of the Chinook, driving the forward transmission through the forward drive shaft.
The aft T55 is installed in the aft pylon engine nacelle, driving the aft transmission. Together with the forward engine.
Before installation, each T55 turboshaft is inspected for transit damage and all engine harness connections verified. The Chinook interconnecting drive system runs the full length of the helicopter above the cargo floor, connecting the forward and aft rotor systems.
The Chinook fuel system carries over 1,000 gallons of fuel. Its self-sealing, crash-resistant cells below the cargo floor.
The Chinook AL4075 combining transmission receives T55 turboshaft power and combines it with the power coming from the opposite transmission.
The torque applied here and the safety wire installed here are what ensure the engine stays mounted to the airframe through all of that loading.
The Chinook hydraulic system powers flight controls, cargo hook operations, and ramp actuation through two independent circuits.
Nearly 10,000 shaft horsepower sits in the two T55 turbo engines installed in this Chinook.
The Chinook APU provides electrical power and engine starting air independently of the main engines, allowing the crew to start engines. The CH-47F Chinook avionics suite, the common avionics architecture system, represents a digital transformation.
The CAS processor module handles the flight management, engine monitoring, navigation, and systems monitoring functions of the CH-40.
The Chinook wire harness system must function reliably through the vibration of tandem rotor helicopter operations and through thousands of flight hours in combat environments. The cast glass cockpit installed in the CH-47F gives the pilot and co-pilot a digital flight management and situational awareness capability.
The CH-47F embedded GPS and inertial navigation system gives the crew precise position data in any environment, with or without GPS signal.
The Chinook cargo management system gives the flight engineer digital control of the triple cargo hook system, real-time sling load weight readout.
Full avionics integration test, every system on the CH-47F operating simultaneously. CAS flight management.
Intervals. The T55 FADEC system manages engine fuel flow, power turbine speed, and engine protection functions automatically.
The CH-47F Chinook has its DAAS Kaizen brain.
The military specification epoxy primer applied to the Chinook aluminum fuselage forms the chemical barrier between the aerospace.
The Chinook communication suite supports simultaneous communication on multiple nets, with the unit being supported with the Tactical Operations Center.
The balance weight installation performed here is the last step before the blade is certified for flight, and it must be exactly right.
The Chinook rotor blade leading edge sees sand, rain, and vegetation at over 400 feet per second. The erosion protection. The CH-47F Chinook survivability systems give the helicopter and its crew a fighting.
The Chinook fuselage surface is prepared to near white metal condition before any protective coating is applied. The aluminum that may.
The CH-47F final surface inspection is joint between Boeing and Army Aviation Acceptance representatives.
The cargo hook system static load test applies loads greater than the rated hook capacity to verify the structural integrity and release mechanism function.
Central cabin interior is outfitted to carry interior from front bench soldiers, vertical window and twin internal car from
The CH-47F triple cargo hook system allows the helicopter to carry a single 50,000-pound load on all.
6 horse rotating up to 6,000 rounds per minute. The M130mm gun in the CH-7F forward mount is the
CH-47F cargo ramp functional test verifies that the ramp extends, retracts, and locks.
Army olive drab and camouflage. The operational color scheme of the CH-47F Chinook is designed to reduce visual contrast against the terrain environments the Army operates in. The CH-47F defensive weapon systems give the crew the ability to suppress threats during approach and departure from landing zones.
The CH-47F paratroop doors on both sides of the forward fuselage allow simultaneous exits from both sides of
the Common Missile Warning System detects the UV signature of a missile motor plume
and automatically dispenses chaff and flares to decoy the incoming missile. The cargo hook structural attachments and defensive weapon mount structures are inspected after every installation at Ridley Park.
The CH-47F Offensive Systems Functional Test verifies gun mount, traverse, and elevation.
The rotor hub installation is the moment the Chinook begins to look like what it is. The forward and aft hubs are installed on the masts. The CH-47F carries 3 blades on the forward rotor and 3 on the aft rotor, 6 composite blades total, each over 30 feet long.
The Boeing Ridley Park final assembly floor has produced more CH-47 Chinooks than any other facility on Earth. The
First ground class.
The completed CH-47F cargo cabin is 30 feet long, 8 feet wide, and over 6 feet tall.
rotor track and balance determines how smooth the Chinook is in flight. Both forward and aft rotor systems must track in the same plane and be balanced.
Complete. Every system installed, every test passed, every Army requirement met. This CH-47F Chinook is ready for the United States Army. The Army Acceptance Inspector represents every crew member who will fly this helicopter in combat and every soldier who will ride in it.
The doors of Boeing Ridley Park open. The CH-47F Chinook that was built here will roll out into Pennsylvania daylight for the first time.
The CH-47F sits on the Ridley Park flight line in Pennsylvania daylight for the first time. The aircraft that began
The CH-47F first flight pre-flight inspection covers every system on the helicopter before the first crew trusts it with their lives.
APU on, forward engine start, aft engine start. Both Honeywell T55 turboshafts spool up simultaneously in a Chinook for the first time aboard this helicopter.
Built in Pennsylvania. Of course, we've been perfecting this helicopter for 6 years. 50,000 horsepower.